Hey girly girls, and welcome back to Tailor Made Beauty Room. Now today's video is actually going to be a clean with me for the new year. So without further ado, let's roll right in. Okay, so as you will know, or some of you who have been on my channel before, I've been pretty poorly during the Christmas period, really quite ill. And so things didn't go how I wanted them to go this Christmas. But yeah, I'm now back fighting fit. But unfortunately for me, the house did kind of go to pot a little bit. I was just too ill to stay on top of everything. So, I mean, you see the Christmas tree there in that corner. That's only half decorated. There's only one tree I managed to decorate fully throughout the Christmas period because I was just too ill. But as you can see, the house has kind of got a little bit out of hand. There's dishes in the sink instead of in the dishwasher. All of my worktops need wiping down. So it's going to be a really pretty big clean with me. I didn't actually get to give you a Christmas tour of the house. I didn't actually bother this year because, like I said before, I didn't get to actually finish decorating my home. So yeah, while I'm here, I just wanted to show you these two bottles of Bucks Fizz. They're absolutely gorgeous. At the moment, they're only £2 something from Sainsbury's. This is the nicest Bucks Fizz you will find. They do another brand of Bucks Fizz in Sainsbury's, but not as nice as these. And these are only available from November to around the end of January. So get them while the getting is good. So yeah, as I said before, I need to clean off these worktops. I just need to clean everything. I'm going to set my little vacuum in a moment to start cleaning up downstairs. But literally everywhere needs cleaning. So I'm just going to walk through a little bit through the house. There's a little bit of Christmas decor there. But like I said, I really didn't go overboard with the decorating because I was just too ill. And as you can see, a little bit more Christmas decor there that needs to come down because I'm going to be undecorating as well. There's some items that myself and my daughter purchased from Ann Summers, and this is my son's suitcase. He did go skiing recently and came back only on Sunday, and that's where he's basically dumped his case. The other living area, which is mainly for my kids. To be fair, this isn't too bad, but I definitely need to send the vacuum in here. So yeah, the vacuum needs to come in here, and everywhere needs dusting. All of this decor needs to come down. And yeah, I need to just get back to living my life again. I think that's maybe my son's bag. I think he came straight back and decided to get his homework out of the way. But yeah, so I've got a lot of cleaning to do downstairs. Actually, I have a hell of a lot to do upstairs as well, but I'll probably break this video into two separate videos. In here, this is the room that we usually celebrate Christmas in, but as you can see, it's been basically left as a kind of dumping ground. So there's my half decorated tree. Here are the rest of the decorations in here and in this bag too. I was just too ill, so all these bags here are bags full of decorations. These decorations here would normally go on my banister rail on the stairs. Didn't get to do it this year. There's a sock down there for some reason. There's a little nativity set there, and yeah, so basically we sort of like opened up some presents here, so that's why you'll see like bits and pieces of paperwork all over this table. And yeah, everything just needs tidying. Like I said, we just left it. There's my little train set. If you look very closely at the carpet, I need to send the vacuum in here too. I never got to put this up. These are like little pockets that you can put like little gifts in above your fireplace. Just never got to do it. And yeah, so basically everywhere just needs going. You might see some jackets here strewn across the backs of chairs, but basically I just need to get a handle of this room, put it back into its former glory, remove all the unwrapped presents and packaging that we've just basically left there, because like I said, I was just too ill, and having the kids home all the time, usually the kids are at school and at college, so I have the opportunity to get the house in looking the way that I want it to, but because they've been there for most of the time and have been making a mess, and I mean, don't get me wrong, they've helped me out a little bit, but you know, it's now just time to get back on top of things. Okay, so this room is the only room that I really managed to fully decorate my tree, even though I was missing some gorgeous little glass baubles on this tree. As you can see, in between I've put cotton wool to give it that snow effect, even though it is a flocked tree. I love the icicles dripping down. So I did manage to get this tree decorated before I actually fell ill, but again, as you can see, the living area, you know, it needs a lot of work. So the kids have been enjoying this space enormously. As you can see, there are sweets on the side, their phones, chocolates. There's a gift box there that I received the other day from somebody, I don't know who. I mentioned it in the last video, Thornton's Chocolates. I was doing a little bit of editing on my MacBook, so I need to move that out of the way. My daughter's slippers are there. I still have a little bit of Christmas decor here. There's a wreath, as you can see there, and a couple of my cushions. In here, again, I need to set the vacuum to go. Little bit more Christmas decor, as I said before, that I need to remove, and another little cute nativity set here. But you know, it's just getting everything organized again. Here I have my hair straighteners there. I just need to get on top of things and just start giving everything a good clean. So yeah, so that's the plan for this video. Part 2 upstairs will be coming up after part 1, but yeah, let's make a start. Okay, so I decided to speed up this portion of the video. As you can see, I'm removing the remainder of my Christmas decorations, and I'm also putting them, I'm going back and forth in and out of different rooms, putting the items where they need to go. Here I'm giving the table a real good clean, because obviously people have had drinks on there. Finally, I'm now taking down my Christmas tree. It's been very, very long awaited, this moment. Just packing it away to go and put things away. So now that I'm putting the tree back in its box, I'm also going to tape this box up and put it back in where it needs to go, safe and sound for next year. So now I'm in the hallway and removing my Christmas decor, which has been out here for quite some time. By the way, at the time that I published this video, you need to realise that I did actually film this a few weeks ago, but because I had a lot of editing to do, it's only now that I can actually get the video out to you. So as you can see, I have my Christmas box. I'm just putting some shoes away in the shoe and coat cupboard. I have this huge bag with lots of Christmas decor in it, and I'm just going to use this bag to clear up my Christmas decor in the kitchen also. There's my son's case. As I mentioned to you previously, he went on a skiing holiday and has returned and left his case in the hallway. Here is another Christmas box, another Christmas tree box. As you will be aware if you watch my videos, I normally put up 5 Christmas trees to decorate, and I'm sure you'll see some of those trees in this video. Here are the remainder of my shoes and boots in the hallway. And yeah, it's just a case of trying to stay on top of things, trying to stay on top of the house. But like I said before, I was so poorly over the Christmas period. My home doesn't usually look like this. I don't usually have so much tidying up to do. But honestly, the flu that I had really did knock me for 6. So it took me quite a while. Here's some of the sliders that I forgot to put away. So yeah, I get a really it's almost like therapy, tidying up. Okay, so now it's time to clear away the table. I absolutely love these silver spoons. And it's also time to pack away the tree. So let's get on with it. Okay, so now I'm in the kitchen area on decorating or de-decorating. It's been a long time coming. I did do my best in this room in the kitchen to try and decorate, but like I said, the illness, it just wasn't the same this Christmas. I've never been so ill at Christmas before, so I really don't feel that I did the real full effect. So I'm just pottering around the kitchen and taking everything down, and I must admit, I don't know if you guys are the same as me. I kind of feel sad when I take the Christmas decorations down because the house looks so different without it. So yeah, it is a little bit of a shame, but it's even more of a shame that I didn't get to do the full effect of my Christmas decorations. I really do like to go all out, and this year, unfortunately, I was just unable to do that. But not to worry, I have Easter coming up, so I've got plenty of things to decorate, and then I'll have autumn as well and fall, and then I can get back to decorating next Christmas as well. So now I'm over just loading up the dishwasher, and I'm going to set that on to run, and then my plan is to then clean off all of the work spaces, all the work areas. There's nothing better than a clean kitchen, and like I said before, because I've been so poorly, it's just been so difficult to get things done. So this is kind of like therapy for me at the moment. Okay, so here I am now in the second living area. This room is the room that my kids tend to relax in. So I'm just removing some of my Christmas decorations off the piano, and I'm now going into the main living area to pack up all the rest of my decorations. Again, I really didn't go over the top this year. I just did what I felt that I could, just mainly in case I did have any visitors, which to be fair, I didn't really have many visitors this year because I was so ill. Nobody wanted to catch what I had. So yeah, it's just basically decluttering again, removing all of my decorations. And I kind of felt a little bit cheated this year. Like I said, I feel like I'm complaining a lot about it, but Christmas is a really important time for me, particularly with my kids, because it's the one time that we get to spend a lot of time together as a family without all of the other responsibilities that we have. So it really is a nice time of year, and I just felt that the kids kind of missed out a lot this year because of my illness. But I'm going to make it up to them and take them out on a few lunch dates and dinner dates and movie dates, and yeah, I'll make it up to them. But yeah, here I am just removing the items that I decorate my fireplace with and the hearth of my fireplace. And yeah, it's a really nice room to decorate. Just to the right, you can slightly see my tree. I call it my Christmas fruit tree, because the baubles that I put on there actually look very much like fruit. And so I really love this tree. You'll see this a little bit more closer up when I start to remove the decorations off there. And as I was saying, here is the tree. And I think you can see what I mean. They almost look like little apples and like pears, and it just looks really cute. So I really enjoy decorating this tree every year. My friends think it's an ingenious idea. Okay, so now here we are into my utility room. As you can see, it's definitely worse for wear, so I really need to get on top of all of this ironing. So let's roll right into this. As there's a lot of ironing to do, I think I'm going to actually have to film a part 2 for you. So I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, you know what to do. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. But for now, ta-ta for now.